Lesson 8. Planetary Dignity. Imagine cooking in your own kitchen versus a stranger's. In your kitchen, everything is where you expect it. You can move quickly and intuitively. In someone else's, you might produce the same meal, but it takes more effort and adaptation. Planetary dignity works the same way. It describes how comfortable a planet is in its current sign, a spectrum from effortless expression to deliberate work. Dignity doesn't mean good or bad. It means easy or challenging. And challenge often produces the most interesting results. There are 4 classical levels of dignity. Domicile, the planet is at home. It rules this sign and operates with full natural strength. The Sun in Leo, Mars in Aries, Venus in Taurus. Exaltation, the planet is a distinguished guest, honored and elevated, performing at its highest. The Sun is exalted in Aries, the Moon in Taurus. Detriment, the planet is in the opposite sign from its home. It must adapt its style. Venus in Scorpio or Mars in Libra. Fall, the planet is opposite its exaltation, the least familiar territory. Saturn in Aries, the Moon in Scorpio. Here's the reference chart for the 7 classical planets. The Sun rules Leo and is exalted in Aries. The Moon rules Cancer and is exalted in Taurus. Mercury rules Gemini and Virgo, exalted in Virgo. Venus rules Taurus and Libra, exalted in Pisces. Mars rules Aries, exalted in Capricorn. Jupiter rules Sagittarius, exalted in Cancer. And Saturn rules Capricorn, exalted in Libra. The detriment is always the sign opposite the domicile. The fall is always opposite the exaltation. What about planets in signs where they have no special dignity at all? They're called peregrine. Wanderers with no particular advantage or disadvantage. A neutral state. Most planets in most charts are peregrine, and they function just fine. There's also mutual reception. When 2 planets occupy each other's ruling signs, Mars in Cancer and the Moon in Aries, for example, they form an invisible exchange link, each supporting the other from a distance. Mutual reception quietly strengthens both planets. Let's see dignity in action. The Moon in Cancer. Domicile, emotional expression flows naturally, instincts are strong and reliable, nurturing comes easily. The Moon in Capricorn. Detriment. Emotions are channeled through structure and discipline. Feelings are managed, not suppressed, but the process requires more effort. Mars in Libra. Detriment. The drive to act gets filtered through fairness and diplomacy. These people are excellent strategic negotiators. The key insight. Detriment does not mean broken. It means the planet develops a unique and often highly valuable style. Let's recap. Planetary dignity describes how comfortable a planet is in its sign. The 4 levels are domicile, exaltation, detriment, and fall. Detriment and fall are not weaknesses. They produce adaptive, distinctive expression. And mutual reception creates hidden links between planets. In the next lesson, we'll explore the lunar nodes, your soul's compass for growth. See you there.